Hi, I'm Kevin from Sonoma Partners, and today I'd like to show you two new features in Dynamics 365, the Sitemap Designer and the App Designer. Anyone who's spent time as a Dynamics admin knows how frustrating it can be to customize the sitemap. As additional graphic interfaces for system configuration have been released over the years, sitemap modification, which requires exporting, editing, and re-importing XML, seems stuck in the past. But with Dynamics 365, salvation has arrived. Included with this release is a brand new interface for creating and editing sitemaps from within the web application. Sitemap modification is now as easy as dragging and dropping. I can create a new group, or I can edit an existing subarea. Note that it's easy to point to an entity, dashboard, web resource, or an external URL. And if I need them, all of the advanced settings, such as for security or client control, are still available at the bottom of the pane. Changing gears now, notice how Microsoft has repurposed this new flexible UI for use in the new App Designer. While the concept of an app may be new to Dynamics users, Salesforce converts will feel right at home. Previously, the only way to restrict access to customization such as forms, dashboards, or business process flows was with security roles. While this works fine when the number of roles or customizations or business units is small, things get trickier as they scale. With apps, administrators now have additional tools for streamlining the user experience. I'm now able to create different apps based around different functional areas in the system. And in each app, I can determine what dashboards, BPFs, and entity elements are accessible. I can even define different sitemaps using the new sitemap editor that we just saw. Note that while apps will determine what configuration elements are available, security roles still drive fundamental entity and record access. Thus, even if an app doesn't include the related child entities for a given record, users can still traverse to those other entities if their security roles will permit it. So, whereas in the past, if I had 3 tiers of security and 3 separate operating groups, all with distinct customizations I wanted to keep separate, I might need to have as many as 9 different security roles. Now, I can accomplish that same thing with just 3 apps and 3 security roles. And that's the 30,000-foot view of the new Sitemap Designer and App Designer in D365. If you have any questions about how you can take advantage of this or other new functionality in the latest Dynamics release, visit our website and give us a shout at sonomapartners.com.